Good morning, children. Now we are going to take the first lesson. Already I took 2 lessons for you, one from biology, other one from chemistry. Now we have to see the first lesson from physics, that is measurement. Compare with our physics is the basis of all the science because it's a study about measurement. And measurement, what are the 3 things you need to measure? Because everything, wherever you go, either you are going for shop, grocery, we are getting groceries in the measurement only. When we are going for textiles, we are getting the clothes in that measurement only, everything. Even book, notebook, whatever it may be, you are saying particular quantity, 80 pages notebook, 100 pages notebook. This is what? Measurement. We are measuring the things. So, to measure the things, we need 3 things to us. One is instrument, other one is standard quantity, third one is acceptable unit. For example, our science book, you take our science book, that may be 30 centimeter length. So, to find out it is 30 centimeter, we are using a scale. What's the instrument there? Scale. By using the scale, we are measuring what is the length of that. That is 30 centimeters. So, what's the instrument you are using? The scale. Then what's the quantity? That is magnitude. That is 30. So, we have to measure with whether it is centimeter, meter, it may be. That is the acceptable unit, that is centimeter. So, to measure anything, we need scale, that is instrument, standard quantity and acceptable unit. So, to measure the things, now from the olden days we are following 3 methods. One is FPS, other one is CGS, third one is MKS. Though the 3 system, we are not using the 3 systems, from that we are minimizing. Let us see first what is FPS. That is, F is foot, that is the length, and P for pound, this is mass, that is a weight, and S for time, that is second. This is British system, we are not using it. Okay. Next one is CGS, that is instead of foot we are using centimeter, instead of pound we are using gram, that is mass, instead of time as it is. So, in all the 3 systems, time remains same, but other 2 was changed. From the CGS system, somewhat developed system, that is MKS, here meter, kilogram and second. For the length we are saying meter, for the mass we are saying kilogram, that is highest quantity, and the time second. Okay. So, though we have 3 systems, this is not common for all the places. So, throughout the world there should be a uniformity. For the uniformity, they are finding out there is a conference in France. France, there is a city, Paris. In the city of Paris, they discussed, all the scientists discussed and find out a new system, that is International System of Units, SI system. This is only used for all nowadays, now all over the place, SI units of system. So, as per the SI unit of system, length too we can find out. So, for example, SI unit of system, we have to say now SI unit of system. Okay, first one is what I said, length. We have to say the quantity, unit, and then what? Symbol. Quantity, unit, symbol. First one we have to say length. That is meter, symbol is what? M. Length we are measuring like this. Then mass, mass is what I said, weight, maybe kilogram. This one is kg. Okay. So, length I said it is meter, unit is meter, symbol is mass. That is short form symbol, already we have seen in chemistry, like the short form. Then mass, kilogram, we are saying what? Kg. Now, next one is time. That is, unit is second, we are writing S. Next one is temperature. We have to find out how hot or cold the body is. Temperature, we are using Kelvin. What's the unit there? Kelvin. Short form is K. Then electric current, ampere. We are using some short form is A. Then amount of amount of substances, that is mole. Unit is what? MOL. And luminous intensity, that is how much light is. We have to see everything detail now. That is candela CD. Now, in this lesson, we have to see what are the things. This is international system of units. What are the things? The quantity unit system. For everything, we need three. One is quantity, next one is unit, other one is symbol. So, for example, length, meter, M. Symbol is M, short form. Mass, that is it occupies the space, no. For that, kilogram, kg. Time, how much of time we have measured, that is seconds. Symbol is what? Is temperature, how hot or how cold the body is. We are using this, the unit is Kelvin, we have to say. Symbol is what? K. Electric current. So, electric current we have to find out by using instrument ampere, unit is ampere, voltmeter like that, and we are finding the symbol A. Amount of substances, how much of thing, how much of weight it is, mole, we are saying MOLE, mole, that is a unit, symbol is MOL. And luminous intensity, that is how much of light present in that, the focus of light, that is known as what? Luminous intensity, candela CD. Now, we will see everything in the detail. Clear? Now, first one what I say, temperature. First quality we have to see temperature. Temperature, you know, any substance given to you, you have to find out whether it is hot or cold. So, on touching itself, we can feel it is hot or cold, whatever it may be. It is not the correct quantity. We have to measure the thing we are using to find out whether the body is hot or cold. We are using an instrument, thermometer. So, that is known as what? Temperature. What is temperature? It is a physical quantity that expresses the degree of hotness or coldness of a body, of a substance. Okay. The SI unit of temperature I said already. Temperature, what is the SI unit of temperature? Kelvin. Okay. We can write the symbol as K. The temperature may be, the temperature may be in the 3 scale, that is Celsius. What are the thing I say? Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale. There are 3 scales to find out the temperature. Okay, what are the 3 scales? Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Temperature can be represented by K. What's your symbol? K. Clear? Next one what we have to say is electric current. Electric current. What's the symbol given here? Ampere. That is A. Electric current, that is how much of electricity flows, that we can measure by using instrument, that is electric current. So, it can be found out by the thing, amount of electric charge and time taken, how much of electricity passed in that, amount of electric charge, then what is the duration for that, how much of time taken to measure the thing, that is known as what? So, electric charge is measured by the instrument Coulomb, and it is denoted as A, that is ampere. Okay, yeah. So, what is the instrument, device or instrument? Ammeter is the instrument to find out the flow of electricity. So, how can we find out the electric current, amount of electric charge and the time taken to that? What is the instrument, what is the device used to find out the electric current, that is ammeter. Third one is amount of substances. So, we have seen temperature, electric current, next one is amount of substances. Amount of substance. Next one, amount of substance. That is, amount of substance. Substance is a measure of number of entities. That is, how much of thing present in that, how much of atom, how much of molecules, whatever it may be. One substance, what is present in that, either it may be atom or molecule may be. Amount of entities. Entities means what are the ingredients. அதுக்குள்ள இருக்கிறது என்ன அப்படினு பார்க்கறோம்னா amount of substances that may be, or maybe that is made up of atom, mole, electron, proton, neutron, whatever it may be. It is finding out. That is, entity is known as amount of substances. It can be measured as mole. In SI system, it can be measured as mole. So, the value of mole is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Amount of, that is amount of substance. அது எவ்வளோ இருக்குன்னு சொல்லி மெஷர் பண்ணுறது mole. So, this is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. It's also known as Avogadro number. That you can find out, that you can learn from the higher classes, from 9th, 10th, etc. like that. Okay. So, next one is amount of substance. Fourth one is luminous intensity. So, we have seen amount of substance also. Next one is luminous intensity. Now, see the picture here in page number 4. In the field, any sports field, they are finding out how much of light, whether it is possible to the players to play or not. That capacity of light is enough to find out. That is luminous intensity. Luminous means what? Glowing. And the light, adukku podumanada irukka, intensity, capacity. We are finding like that. This is photometer. We are by luminous intensity can be finding out by the using instrument photometer. We are finding like that. That is the SI unit of luminous intensity. Already we are using candela. What's the unit? Candela. The short form is CD. The symbol is that thing. How we can find out the luminous intensity? By using photometer. Next one, we have to see length, mass, time and all you know well. Next one is plane angle, angles. Plane angle. You would have studied in the maths. How we can make the angle by intersecting two lines. For example, this is one line, this is one line. Both the lines are intersecting. They form the angle. This is angle. This is angle. Okay, suppose these intersect in the cross line. They form the angles. Angle, plane angle. That is how they make the angles in the plane surface. That is plane angle. That is, plane angle is the angle made at the intersection of two straight lines or intersection of two planes. Intersection means what? They cutting each other. Either two lines or two planes are intersecting. They are making angle. The angle is known as what? Plane angle. It can be found out by using, the measurement is radian. We can say radian. The short form is R. Next one is solid angle. Here we said the plane lines or plane surfaces, they intersect each other. Yes, solid angle is differ from that. That is, it is the angle formed by three or more planes intersecting each other. Here two lines only I say, two lines or two planes intersecting each other. Yes, solid angle, three lines or three places intersecting each other. 3. Okay, yeah. Intersect. They form the solid angle. This can be measured as sterdian, or as symbol is what? SR. So, we can find out what are the differences between plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle, what I said, it is the angle made at the point of intersection of two lines. So, here it is the angle made by intersection of three or more planes at a common point. It has two dimensional, it has three dimensional, and its unit is radian, its unit is sterdian. This may be for the 2 mark question. Then we have to see. Now, so far we have seen what are the measurements we have to. The main thing, second we are telling now time we have to find out To measure the time, there are two kinds of clocks are there. One is analog, other one is digital. So, let me say what they are. There are two kinds of clocks we are using at present. To find out the time, we are using two kinds of clocks. What are the clocks? One is analog, other one is what I said, digital. In the analog class, we can say 3 hands. How many hands there? 3 hands, that is hour hand, minute hands, and then second. What are the units there? Seconds, minutes and hour. To show everything, how many hands are there in the analog clock? 3 hands, that is hour hand, minute hand and second hand. Exactly we can find the time from this. Next one is digital. There is no hand. Directly the time is displaying on the digital clock. In our school office room also we can say the digital clock only. Directly it says the time. Further we can divide them into, though they said analog and thing, working mechanism. This is based on the appearance. Working mechanism. This is directly shows the time. Based on the working mechanism, further it can divide into quartz clock, and atomic clock. Quartz clock by using electronic oscillation. What is oscillation? The to and fro movement of a pendulum or clock. The hand is known as what? Oscillation. So once இப்படி வந்து அப்படி திரும்பி போகிறதான சொல்வீங்க oscillation. The to and fro movement of the thing is quartz clock. It's based on the electronic system. So it is electronic oscillation. It is made up of quartz crystal, otherwise it's known as. It gives a more accurate time. It shows a more accurate time to us than atomic class. This is used with the periodic vibrations. This is electronic oscillation. This is based on periodic vibration. Vibration, you know. It is used in the global navigation and other things and all. This atomic clock is used. Mostly we are using the quartz clock only. Then further we have to see accuracy and approximation. Accuracy and approximation. Accuracy, exact. Approximation may be nearby. Accuracy, we are saying exact time. Approximation, approximately we can say, oh, ivla irukkalam appdinu solradhu approximation. So whatever it may be, we can make it of rounds. Whatever the time may be, we can make it of time. For example, 30.56. We have to make into single digit, 30.564. See here, what's the digit number? Here 4. If it is more than 5, more than 5, you can consider as, suppose this is how you have to write 30.56 only. We have to neglect the 4. The same thing like this. This is more than half. This is after 5 means we can make it up, we can round off. So here we can write 30.4. This 5 changes into 6. We are rounding off. Okay. So this is accuracy means exact. Approximation means just we are considering maybe equal to that. It is perfect. This is not perfect. Nearing to that. Clear? So that's the lesson completes. The simple lesson only. I'll give the question and answers in next class.